Hello guys, so I've been using Little Hotelier for over a year now, and I can confidently say it has completely transformed the way I run my small property. When I first started, I wanted a hotel management system that was easy to use, worked well with booking channels like Airbnb, and didn't make me feel like I was running a big corporate hotel. Little Hotelier has been exactly that: simple, efficient, and perfect for small accommodation owners like me. One of the best things about it is that it doesn't overwhelm you with unnecessary features, but still provides all the tools you need to run a successful property. One of the standout things about my experience is the amazing customer support. Whenever I've had a question, whether it's setting up room rates, connecting to a channel manager, or processing a refund for the first time, their team has been quick to respond and genuinely helpful. I've interacted with people like Ronan, Damini, Kath, and Abigail, and every single one of them made sure my problem was solved without any unnecessary back and forth. It's reassuring to know that I can rely on real, knowledgeable people who truly care about solving my issues. Yes, the AI chat sometimes gives generic or slightly off answers, but the moment a human agent steps in, the issue gets resolved quickly and accurately. I really appreciate that they are available 24 hours, 7 days a week, which means even late-night questions get answered without me waiting until the next business day. This has been a lifesaver, especially when managing urgent bookings or handling guest inquiries after hours. The Little Hotelier app itself is very user-friendly. It lets me manage reservations, adjust prices, connect booking platforms, and even set up discounts, all from my phone. It truly feels like having a complete hotel management system in my pocket. This means I can handle bookings or pricing changes while I'm on the go, which makes managing a property much less stressful. No matter where I am, I can check bookings, make changes, and keep things running smoothly. Whether I'm out with friends, at a meeting, or even while traveling, I always have full control of my property. It's especially useful during busy periods when I can't always be at the front desk, but need to make sure everything stays on track. I recently learned that Little Hotelier was ranked #2 hotel management system in the Hotel Tech Report Awards for 2025, and honestly, I'm not surprised. My personal experience matches that recognition. It's reliable, efficient, and backed by a team that actually cares. The system's ease of use, combined with its powerful integrations, makes it a standout in the hotel management software space. For small properties, this software really helps streamline day-to-day operations and improves overall guest satisfaction. If you're a small hotel or guest house owner looking for an easy-to-use hotel management system with real, helpful support, I highly recommend trying Little Hotelier. It's made my business run smoother, saved me hours of manual work, and given me peace of mind knowing help is always a message away. Plus, as the industry evolves, Little Hotelier keeps adding new features and updates, so you always stay ahead of the curve. If you're looking for a solution that covers everything without being overwhelming, this is definitely worth checking out.